Keep in mind that financing for rental property is different. It's expected that you'll put down at least 20%, usually 30%. Now, we've all heard all these TV commercials about come to this flipping big meeting, and you know we're going to tell you how to flip houses and all that. Well, that's all fine and good, but for most of us buying good properties that are going to rent quickly and that are in attractive neighborhoods, you're going to have conventional financing, and that financing is going to run in that ballpark. Also keep in mind, if you're planning to change your principal residence, you want to buy your principal residence first and then buy the rental property, because each property that you add to your portfolio, if you're holding it individually, will be on your credit report. And the mortgage companies, again, I've been a landlord a long time, so I have multiple rental properties, is they look at all of your rental properties, and they look at all the income and the lease terms and stuff like that. So it's a good business. There's some great tax advantages to it, but you need to be aware of the financial impact, and I think sometimes people are not quite up to speed on that. And so it's a good idea to work. The best thing to do is work with mortgage brokers who are experienced at helping people buy rental properties, because traditional mortgage brokers are used to selling people first and second mortgages on their main residence or second home. They have trouble doing the arithmetic. I mean, we're not talking about anything sophisticated here, folks, but they have trouble doing the arithmetic of, oh, this guy's got 6 mortgages, but he's got 6 rental income streams, and the properties have been consistently rented. One of the things they do that's disturbing to me is they use a factor of about 90%. So if your property, my properties, I'm a very effective landlord. My properties have very close to 0 vacancy. In fact, technically where this family blew up on me in Virginia, because of the way I've handled it, it'll be a 0 vacancy. The new family will be in before the current family stops paying rent. So I actually have a 0 vacancy, even under a kind of a quasi-disaster. But the situation is that sometimes the mortgage companies don't know how to do that arithmetic, and they use a vacancy factor that's designed to protect the mortgage company, but it may also make it more difficult for you to buy property. So just so you're aware of how that happens.